Welcome to the best stretch tutorial to enhance your flexibility and reduce your muscle soreness, especially after a workout midday, a few hours before bedtime. I have a lot of options for you to use. Let's just start. Let's bring our arms like you give yourself a big hug. And then you can just bring your hands one towards the other. You can stay like that or wrap around. Now inhale your elbows up and exhale your hands a little bit away from you. Just be comfortable, don't hurt and don't force, so up and away. And maybe look up and down. Center to the side and little circle. You got that? Now let's add the cats and cow to this. We're gonna just reverse our hug. Big hug. Go to the variation that works for you. Inhale, elbows up, hands away. Exhale, look down and hollow your belly tight, tight. Inhale, look up. Little circle with your head. Keep breathing. Exhale, go back, keep breathing. Look around, maybe a baby circle. Come back, bring your stomach towards me. Again, just look down, look around. Make sure your neck is comfortable, maybe side to side. And exhale all that down. Inhale one arm halfway. Bring it across your body. Exhale your shoulder down. Hug that arm towards your chest. Maybe look over your shoulder. Exhale everything down. Other side. Bring your arm halfway. Bring it across. Lower the shoulder. Bring the arm, hug it towards your chest. You're not forcing anything there. Just breathe. And exhale all that down. Now you can bring your elbow to the ground or your hand depending on your range of motion. And it can be different from one side and the other. So my elbow's not gonna touch, it's gonna go stay halfway. I'm just gonna lean in the direction of my supporting hand and open my shoulder. Just open it, maybe looking up if it helps you. Knee towards the mat. And maybe adding the arm. Keep that shoulder open, leaning back. Feel the nice stretch on your side. Smile, smile, smile. Just breathe here. Exhale back up, other side. Support yourself. If your elbow wants to touch, that's great. Opposite knee towards the mat. And maybe you can start by just opening the shoulder and feeling the stretch here, leaning, trying to bring your elbow. When I say trying, I mean like just guiding your elbow towards the mat. It doesn't have to touch. And inhale your arm up. Keep that shoulder open, maybe looking up. And just exhaling into your stretch. Keep breathing. And back up. Let's bring our feet flat on the ground in the front of you. They can go wherever it is comfortable. You can support yourself with your hand or just bring your hands in the front of you. And just a little windshield wiper here. A little motion. Maybe staying a little bit on one side and then the other. Or you can keep the motion going. Now if this doesn't work for you, maybe bring your feet a little forward, maybe a little closer to your body. See what works. And you don't have to bring your leg completely touching the mat here. If that's what you want, just involve a little bit more of your body. Again, you can support yourself if it feels better. If your knee wants to go, it's easier when you lean back like I am if you want your knees to touch the ground. Just have a little fun with that. That's about the only little flow we're having today, so enjoy it. Everything else, nice static posture. Bring one foot towards you and just bring the other across. If that doesn't work for you, just fold it wherever it's comfortable. If you can bring it, wrap it around, wrap it around. We're gonna open the chest here and just maybe bring your arm around. Maybe grab, or just grabbing your leg, whichever works. Just feel the nice stretch here, right here, where that sciatica pain like originates and shoots down your leg. Now feel that, feel your hip. Open that chest, bring it towards me, maybe looking up a little bit. Just hold. You can stay longer if you wish, just pause the video. Otherwise, let's just reverse that. Trying to keep our sit bones on the ground. Here I have a little bone that doesn't feel good sticking out. I broke it, the ski accident, so I have to adjust my foot for myself so that it fits right. So I'm just turning my foot in, so don't copy that. Just making myself comfortable with my own injuries. And let's go on the other side. Just bring your arm around. If it doesn't want to go around, just grab your leg. It's all good. Open the chest. I'm pressing my fingertip in the back of me. Just opening my chest here. So adjust yourself so it feels good. We're pressing on the outside of the thigh just to get that nice little stretch here. And just breathe, breathe, breathe. Voila. Now let's go in the staff pose. Just for a moment here, maybe toes facing up. Feel the stretch in your calf. And a little bit like we just did, we're gonna bring the knee, the foot towards us. Maybe it's inside the leg, maybe you want to cross over. I'm gonna brace myself back here and just look up. Just look around. Make sure your neck is relaxed. Maybe adding a little roll to this. Shoulders are back is straight, so make sure if your back's collapsing, add a little support or maybe do it against the wall. And other side. Grab or whatever works for you here. Inhale, maybe rotating the head a little bit. Chest is out, back is straight. The back is important here. Even if you're leaning back a little bit, that's okay. Just make sure that back is as straight as your body allows. Nice little circle. Keep everything like very relaxed. Just breathe here, breathe, breathe, breathe. And let's bring one leg in, one foot in, the other leg stays out. Big inhale, exhale forward. Now just place your hand in the front of you. If you want to bring your elbows down, go ahead. Exhale, round your back. Now you can. Round your back, try to keep your knee towards the mat here. And maybe inhaling a little length, back straighten a little bit. Exhale, back get rounded. Inhale a little length. Exhale, back gets rounded. When you're exactly where you want to be, stay put. If you went a little further, you're not sure, just come back. Just come back. Your elbows don't have to touch the mat. If you do have that range of motion, of course, you have always that option. There. Now we're gonna do a little twist to the side and just reach for that foot. We don't have to hold it. We can have one hand on it, the other on our thigh. Now you can be facing the foot, or maybe you want to open up. Just see what your body wants to do. Maybe it wants to enjoy this twist a little deeper, and just bring your nose and rotate it towards what's in the back of you, or to the side really. Come back. Come back. It's to the other side. Just open up. Foot is in. If you need a little pillow under, or if your leg is bent, that is fine. Foot, toes are up. First, let's go center. Just brace yourself if this is different on this side than the other, and it should be. We're not exactly the same. If not, exhale around your back. Maybe look towards your feet. Give your neck a little break here. Inhale your hands forward just a little bit, and exhale, lower, round your back. Inhale, strengthen, add some length. Exhale, stay where you are, where it feels just right. You're not in pain, and you can just feel the stretch, and it's actually pleasant to you. Now, let's move our hands towards the foot. If your hands are here, that is fine. If you can grab the foot, that is fine. Whatever works for your own body. And of course, you can look up if you want. Or maybe look on the other side. See what your body wants to do. If you look back a little bit to your side, you're gonna feel the stretch a little bit right here. Especially if your toes are up. If it's too much, just relax the foot a little bit. Just relax the foot. And inhale back up. Center. Open the legs. Inhale. Exhale. Just round your back here. Just round your back. Don't worry about where your hands are right now. Just round the back. Then inhale. Strengthen the back a little bit. Add a little bit of length with your head. Exhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Now if it's too much in the thighs, bring your legs a little closer, or maybe you want your knees up. Put little pillows or yoga blocks under there. This felt especially good for me. Now let's go in that butterfly pose. Feet one towards the other. If it works, your knees can be like really up. If that's your butterfly, that's your butterfly. That's cool. You're doing it, right? Now you can hold your ankles and maybe press onto your legs. Inhale, tall. Exhale, round the body. Look at your feet. Maybe your nose wants to touch your feet. If you've got that flexibility, you want to go sniff the air, that's your business. I can't see you. Nobody can see you. Inhale back up. Now let's go on our belly. It's gonna feel so good. Just take your time here. Take your time. Lower yourself into your mat, maybe on the side first. Turn on your belly. Feel the release on your lower back. Doesn't that feel great? Maybe staying here for a moment. Just bend one leg. Just bend one leg forward. You can stay like that, or you can reach for your heel, your foot, the pants. If you can't reach, that's fine. Just keep sending your heel towards your bum. Nice little quad stretch here. You can look back a little bit, see what's going on. Make sure your neck is relaxed. And other side. So small movement is better than no movement. So nice little stretch. And let go. Hands under the shoulders. Press yourself up just enough to bring your knees under your belly. we're going in a long pose, in a child pose with our arms elongate in the front of us. Now bring your knee apart. If this is not comfortable, you can always bring your knees apart, make more room for your belly. And when ready, press into your hand, bring your bum up, tuck in your toes, bring your knees a little bit more like parallel with one another. And you can stay like this, pressing in your hand, or you can lift your bum to go in down dog. Now feel the stretch into the calf. Adjust yourself, pressing towards the mat. You can bend the knees a lot here too. You don't have to be too straight. You should always keep a micro bend anyway in the knees and in the elbows. And when ready, just join me on a seated position. Thank you for joining me. I have picked a video for you to watch next if you wish. Please let me know in your comments down below how your journey is going. Thank you. Namaste.